Today we are discussing about that 7th class lesson, first lesson, part 1, food components. See, already we learned that 6th class different types of food items. Food items like biryani, pulihora, curd rice, sambar rice, etc. These are the food items. So how these food items, how we are cooking? Some food items are cooking with the steam, some are the boiling, some are the frying. So different kinds. So entirely that food items are preparing entirely different methods are there. Already we are discussing in that previous class, 6th class. See, now which type of food components are there in that? These food components. So food item is the different. Pulihora is the food item. Biryani is the food item. In that food item, which type of food components are there? So everything has every person have some their own favorite food. Some are the biryani is their favorite food. Some are the vada and curd is the favorite food. So every person to person, the food item is different for favorite food. See, suppose for example, Ramesh food item is the only bread and omelette. That is the sufficient. So bread and omelette. See, what are the sources of the bread? Sugars, carbohydrates are present. Omelette, proteins, a few quantities of fats. So these are available in these food components. So different types of food items are different types of food components, entirely different. So there are the 5 essential food components are there. There are the essential food components. See, what are the essential food components? Carbohydrates. First one is the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are also known as energy giving food. Carbohydrates are also known as the energy giving food. It contains carbon, oxygen, hydrogen. Carbohydrates are also known as energy giving food. Carbohydrates are also known as energy giving food. Next, what are the sources of carbohydrates? Potato, sweet potato, plain potato, these are the available in the carbohydrates. Okay, what is meant by carbohydrates? Carbohydrates contain carbon, oxygen, hydrogen. So carbohydrates contain carbon, oxygen, hydrogen. The sources of the carbohydrates are also known as rice, wheat, maize, corn, potato, sweet potato, etc. These are the sources of the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are also known as energy giving food. Okay, this is the carbohydrate. Next one is the proteins. What is meant by proteins? What are the sources of the proteins? Proteins contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Proteins are also known as energy body building food. Proteins are also known as body building food. Proteins are also known as body building food. Sources of proteins. All pulses like green gram, red gram, black gram, mango, dal, etc. So these are the all pulses. Next, dry fruits like cashew nut, badam, pista. These are the plant products. Again, animal products, milk, egg, chicken, mutton, etc. These are the sources of the proteins. These are the sources of the proteins. Proteins contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Next essential food component is fats. First one is the carbohydrates, proteins, fats. So these are the fats. Fats are also known as body protective food. So what are the sources of the fats? Sources of fats. What are the sources of fat? All oil seeds. All oil seeds means sunflower, groundnut, mutton, chicken, all oil seeds. So these are the sources of the fats. Next one is the vitamins. Next essential component is vitamins. Vitamins. So here vitamins are divided into two types. Vitamins are divided into two types. Water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins. Vitamins divides into two types. One is the water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins. Again fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins. See, what are the water soluble vitamins? B and C. Water soluble B and C. B and C are the water soluble vitamins. D, K are the fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins. Again minerals. Minerals are the micro elements. Potassium, calcium, phosphorus. So bone is made up of calcium and phosphorus. Bone is made up of calcium and phosphorus. What are the sources of the calcium and phosphorus? Meat and the all pulses are available in the calcium and phosphorus. Deficiency of the calcium and phosphorus decreases the bone density. Decreases of the bone density, deficiency of the RBC, deficiency of red blood cells. So bone marrow produce inside of the bone. So that bone marrow onwards produce red blood cells. So that is the main thing. Okay, bone is made up of calcium and phosphorus. Next one is the vitamins and minerals. Last one is the fiber. Next one is the fiber food. Next essential component is fiber. Fibers are also known as roughages. Fibers are also known as roughages. Fibers are also known as roughages. Roughages are also known as a kind of carbohydrates. These are the kind of carbohydrates. Kind of what are the sources of these fibers? Sources of fibers. What are the sources of the fibers? See, ribbed gourd, bottle gourd, lady's finger, beetroot, carrot, all leafy vegetables, etc. These are the sources of the roughages. Roughages are a kind of carbohydrates. So these fibers to prevent the free bowel movement. So those are not taking fiber food properly, they are suffering with the constipation. So they are not the free bowel movement of the digestive tract. They can't the free bowel movement of the digestive tract. They are suffering with so many diseases. So this is the main use of the sources of the fibers. See, how can you detect this? How can you, which substance is present in the, see this one, this is the food item. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats. Take this one. These food, suppose you take any one food item. In that food item, carbohydrates, starch are present or absent. Starch, suppose starch present or absent. Proteins present or absent. Fats present or absent. See that food item, name of the food item, first one is the rice. You take first food item, rice. In that rice, which type of food component is present? Carbohydrates are present or absent? Carbohydrates are present. Proteins are present or absent? Proteins are absent. Fats are present or absent? Proteins are absent. So in rice is the, what is the main food component in the rice? Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main food component of the rice. Next one is the dal. See, dal. In dal, carbohydrates are present or absent? Absent. In dal food item, proteins are present or absent? Present. Fats are present or absent? Fats are absent. Next one, meat. Carbohydrates are present or absent? Carbohydrates are absent in this food item. Next one, proteins are present or absent? Proteins are present in the meat. Present. Next one, fats are present or absent? Present. So different. All food items are not available in the all food components. Some food components only available in the some essential food component. Some food items are more food components, some food items are less food components to maintain the overall of the body. See, how can you detect in rice carbohydrates are present? How can you prove? These specific food items are present. How can you prove? See, now we see this one. First experiment is the test for starch. Test for starch. How can you prove in the rice food item? Rice is the food item. In that food item, starch is present. How can you prove it experimentally? So take one test tube. Take one test tube. This is the test tube. In this test tube, take one test tube and fill with the iodine solution. So this is the iodine solution. Iodine solution. Take one test tube, fill with the iodine solution. Take another test tube. So here the another test tube. Take another test tube. This test tube, take a small quantity of the rice. Take a small quantity of the rice. Take one test tube. In that test tube, prepare the iodine solution. These iodine solution add to the another test tube. In that test tube, before only add a few quantity of the small quantity of the or pinch of the rice. Add that iodine solution. What is the color of the rice here? What is the color of the rice? White color. So this white color rice turns into, or rice or the rice powder. Add that iodine solution, this rice, it will turns to this white color turns into that white color turns into blue black color, blue or black color, blue or black color, blue or black color. That is the test for starch. Take test tube. Take two test tube. One test tube is filled with the iodine solution. Another test tube add a few quantity of the rice. Add that iodine solution of the second test tube. So that white color turns into blue or black color. So it contains starch is present. So this is the test for starch. Next one, the test for proteins. Next one, the test for proteins. In this experiment, test for the proteins. What are the sources of the proteins? Proteins are also known as body building food. It contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Proteins are also known as the body building food. So all proteins are to build the body. So how can you detect all pulses proteins are present? All pulses like green gram, red gram, black gram, mango, dal, etc. These are the sources of the proteins. See, how can you show? How can you determine? How can you prove all pulses or proteins are present? Take three test tubes. This is the one test tube. This is one test tube. This test tube filled with take three test tube. Take three test tubes. First test tube, you prepare the 2% of copper sulfate solution. 2% of copper sulfate solution. So next test tube. Next test tube. Sir, paper, sir. Next test tube. 10% of sodium hydroxide solution, 10% of NaOH solution. So another test tube, that pulses powder, or pulses or the red gram, take red gram, kandipapu, red gram. So how to prepare this 2% of copper sulfate solution? 2 grams of copper sulfate solution, 2 grams of copper sulfate is dissolved in 100 ml of water. 2 grams of copper sulfate is dissolved in 100 grams of water, 100 ml of water. That is called the 2% of copper sulfate solution. Before we are preparing that solution, keep in the stand. After, next one, prepare the sodium hydroxide. How to prepare the 10% of sodium hydroxide solution? So 10 grams of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 100 ml of water. That is the preparation of the 10% of sodium hydroxide solution. So these two solutions keep the separate in stand. After that, take another test tube, third test tube. Add a few quantity of the red gram powder or the red gram, solid state of red grams or the powder. So add these 2 drops of third test tube. Add the 2% of copper sulfate solution, 2 drops. 10 drops of the 10 drops of the sodium hydroxide solution and add a few quantity of the water. After stirring well, shaking well, after some time it will observe that this yellow, what is the color of the red gram here? Yellow in color. So, same, that was okay. Yellow in colors. So this yellow color turns into violet or purple color. So violet or purple color. So that is the test for proteins. This yellow color turns into purple color, violet or purple color. That is the test for proteins. So next one, the test for fats. Test for fats. All meat, all flesh, like mutton, chicken, beef, pig, these meat are available in the sources of the fats. Fats are also known as body protective food. Fats are also known as body protective food. So how can you detect these food items? These food items are present in the fats. So take a sheet of white paper, but all oil seeds are available in the fats. So take a sheet of white paper and take one groundnut seed. Scratch on that white paper. That remove that peel of the groundnut seed and scratch on that white paper. So that white paper before transparent. So that transparent white paper turns into translucent paper. So it contains oil, it contains fats. So that is the test for trach. Next, another experiment. Take a dry coconut piece. Again, take a sheet of white paper, keep on the table. So scratch on that paper with the help of that dry coconut piece. So that white paper before transparent, the transparent paper turns into translucent. So it contains fats. This is the test for proteins, test for carbohydrates, test for starch, test for fats, etc. So these are the next. How can you detect some food items? Which food items are the? See, testing of food items for carbohydrates, proteins, fats. So this is name of the food item. Take this one. What is the first food item? Rice is the food item. In that rice food item, which one is present? Which food component is present? Starch is present or absent? Starch is present in this food item. So proteins are absent. Next one, fats are present or absent? Absent. Fats are absent in this food item. In rice, only starch is present. So the starch is the food component. What is another name of the starch? Carbohydrates. Next one is the potato. So potato, starch is present or absent? Starch is present in potato. Proteins are absent as very minute quantities. That is not a calculation. Very minute quantity are, so we are calculating as the absent. Proteins are. Next one is the fats are absent. Fats are absent. Milk is the wholesome food. That means it contains all nutrients, all food components like except carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins, etc. So milk is also known as the wholesome food. It available. So if minute quantities are the present. Next one, proteins are present. Next one, fats are present. Fats are present in milk. So that is the curd. In curd, starch is present. So in curd, how to formation of the curd? With the help of by adding for lukewarm milk, adding the buttermilk. In that buttermilk, lactic acid is present. So that milk converts into curd. So that is the causes of the formation of the curd. So in curd, starch is present, proteins are absent, otherwise the less quantities that also present, fats are present, curd also. Again egg, starch is absent, starch is absent, starch is absent, proteins are present, proteins are present, again fats are present, very minute quantities. So these are the testing of food items for carbohydrates, proteins, fats. See, body require all types of food components. Body require all types of food components like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, etc. Again, next one, at the time of adolescent age. At the time of adolescent age means the age between 13 to 19 years. This age is also known as the teenage. In this age, body require more energy. So where is available more energy? These food components we maintain. These food components we maintain to produce the almost all the 90% of growth is completed. 90% of growth is completed in this age, adolescence age. That's why body need more requirements. So some all kinds of food like leafy vegetables, fruits, etc. Next, one of the most important component is the water. Water is the most essential component. Water is the one of the most essential food component. Water is the universal solvent. This is the universal solvent. Universal solvent. It is used for the all metabolic activities. It is used for. It is water is used for all metabolic activities. All metabolic activities. All metabolic activities. So it transports from one part of the body to the another party. Transportation system. Again, transport. Water transports from one part of the body to the another part of the body. From all cells contain the 90% of the water. Our cell contains protoplasm. In that protoplasm, 90% of the water is present. Protoplasm. 90% of the water is present in this protoplasm. So water maintains the body temperature. Water maintains the body temperature. It maintains the body temperature. So these are the main uses of the water. Water is the one of the most essential food component. Okay, those are not taking water, those are not drinking sufficient water, they are suffering with the constipation. So what is meant by constipation? They cannot get the free bowel movement of the digestive tract. They cannot get rid the free bowel movement of the digestive tract. It will struck and they are suffering with the many diseases. That is the main use of the water. Next one, what is meant by balanced diet? Next one is the balanced diet. The diet that contains all the nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals in a definite proportion. So that is also known as the balanced diet. Some foods are taking the more food. See, all food items are not sufficient. All food components are not available. Some food items only available. Some food items are available. More food components. Some food items are not available in remaining food items. Okay, all food items are not available in the same food components. So different types of food items are available in the different types of food components. Some food items are very less, some food items are very more. So you maintain the all. So our body require all types of food components. So like this only you maintain that body. So next one is the junk food. So how, what is meant by junk food? How, what is the uses of the junk food? What are the drawbacks we are eating junk foods? Next one is the junk food. Junk food. Junk foods. Junk foods like pizza, burger, sandwich. These are the next roadside foods. These are belongs to the junk foods. At the time of eating junk foods, damage of the intestines. These intestines, they cannot move the free bowel movement. So they cannot move free bowel movement. They are suffering with the constipation. So these intestine tracts are damaged. That leads to the gastric trouble. These are suffering with this is very damaged food, and these are the harmful food of the junk foods. So my dear students, not only students, everyone should avoid junk food. Should you drink sufficient water. Next, last one is the story of these nutrients. So Lavoisier, who discovered the scurvy diseases? Lavoisier. What are the sources of the vitamin C? Deficiency of the vitamin C causes scurvy diseases. What are the sources of the vitamin C? All fruits, banana, guava, orange, apple, batai, these are available of the vitamin C. Deficiency of the vitamin C causes scurvy diseases. Students should use the vitamin C and to control that scurvy diseases. Avoid junk foods also. Junk foods are damaged our intestinal tracts. Okay, students.